I can't make this up. In today's police chase video, we got a stolen dump truck trying to get away from the police. Can the police stop this runaway stolen dump truck? Let's have a reaction. Action. We got ourselves a stolen dump truck. Who steals a dump truck? That's diabolical. A stolen dump truck. It's a nice dump truck too. Why is he swerving like that? Oh, look like they about to put the spike strips out on him already off the gate. You supposed to been had those out. What? Shorty, you moving slow. She moving slow. Man, she moving slow. I don't even think she got the spikes off. She couldn't have got the spikes off, because then the rest of the cars would have ran over them. Nah, look, she didn't even get the spikes off. Another angle. Definitely missed the spikes. We definitely gonna get her off the spike job. She can no longer control the spikes. She's fired.
Yeah, he's down. We're going back to 89 and 15. We're going back south on Lingo. We're making a circle.
Yeah, there's no way those spikes got off. Because I don't see no flat tires or nothing on it. Definitely missed the spikes. That dump truck moving pretty fast, man. Man, it's moving. I thought it. I drive semis, man, so.
Speed's about 75.
Doing 75 in the dump truck. It's probably governed at 75 too. I bet it's governed.
Yeah, get off the road. He's coming southbound. He's coming hot. He will hit you.
He told him to get off the road because he will hit you. Why don't they just go up on him and shoot the tires? There's nobody around. It's the perfect time to shoot the tires out. What is he doing? What is it? I know this man ain't finna park this car in the pathway of this dump truck. Not a good idea. No car is gonna stop a dump truck. Are you kidding me right now? Bad idea. Horrible idea. Doofus McGoofus. Is he still in the car? Damn! It just pushed that car out the way like it was a toy. Man, that's crazy. That cop car's done. He said, take him out. Yeah, because he took your car out. Oh, this must be a different angle. Boom! Yeah. That cop car never see the streets again.
He just totaled out 58 unit.
He said he totaled it out. Yeah, he definitely totaled it out. Oh, here go another angle right here. Boom! Oh, man, he just went through that car like it was nothing. Come on, man. Horrible idea. Whose idea was that? Look at it. Who's paying for that? Us. Taxpayers. Look at that. 80 grand down the drain. Thanks a lot, guys.
Just total out 58 unit. You want to do it? They want all you to take him out.
Mike, he took your car out, so you want him to take him out, huh? He mad. You shouldn't have parked your car there, Mike.
Get opportunity, I'm going to try to shoot his motor out with a shotgun, so just be prepared.
Oh, he said he gonna take the shotgun and try to shoot the motor out. How you gonna do that by himself? I guess. I wonder if that dump truck is an automatic. Because not a lot of people can drive a stick shift. I bet that's an automatic. Yeah, I bet that's automatic.
We're still on Carson Bridge. Actually, we're very close.
Oh, I see him. He won't let him get on the side of him. Okay. He know how to drive a little bit.
You can give up this code message in the command by pressing the voice button on the steering wheel. To make a call safely, call John Smith, call John Smith work, or dial 206-555.
I wouldn't dare get on the side of him.
Launch a personal assistant on your connected phone. Press and hold the voice button on the steering wheel.
In the residential area.
Southbound trailer. Southbound trailer.
Why is this? He driving that big boy though. He driving that thing. And he ran over the sign. What? What? Why would those people put their car in the way like that? You're not a cop. They're not gonna pay for that. Did y'all see that blue car? They gonna park it right in the way of the path of the dump truck. Look at this. Why would you do that? They're not gonna pay for that. He tried to throw the spikes out. Come on, man. They spike thrower horrible. Man, they spike thrower is horrible.
We're back eastbound on Carson Bridge in North Alabama.
They're putting them rounds in that motor. Then I hit that motor with shotguns.
Rounds through his engine, he's coming, slowing down to a stop. Ready to do a felony takeoff.
There you go, right there. Watch him miss the spikes. He's garbage on the spikes. Why don't they just shoot his tires? Oh, he's firing at him. He shot that motor. That big boy Diesel still going. Why don't they just shoot the tires? This is the perfect time to shoot the tires. Pop, pop, pop. Oh, he just shot the front tire. I'm gonna say, man, what's taking you so long? Y'all should have shot the back tires, the front tires. He unloading on that front tire. He is firing at that thing. He put about 10 rounds into that front tire. Look like it's still holding air though. Is it even going on flat? It's a super dump truck. This done took shots, tire shots. This the best built dump truck ever. True meaning of a bulletproof motor. He going slow though. He definitely slowing down. He better keep going, because when they get him out of there, they're going to beat the noodles out of him. They're going to beat the noodles out that boy when they get him out of there. They got the whole county out there, don't they? Still going. Built to last. What kind of dump truck is this? What's he gonna do? I know he ain't gonna try to pit him. Oh, we trying to run him off the road. Oh, he just messed up another cop car. Some more money us taxpayers got to pay. Starting to go slow now. He definitely losing power. I'm trying to see if that front tire on flat. He said I shot the front tire out. Oh yeah, he definitely shot it out. Man, he barely moving. He might as well get out and run. He might as well get on his feet and run. That's your best bet now. Ghost ride the whip and just run, man. You moving at a snail's pace. He know when he stopped, they gonna beat the noodles out of him. Man, they gonna knock fire from him. He does not want to get out of there. He like, man, get out and run, baby. Hit the woods on him. Hit the woods on him. Uh-oh. They got their tasers out. They got the tasers out.
Yeah, we're rolling at about 5 miles an hour.
Oh, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8. What's that he dropped? Oh yeah, they not playing with him. Y'all hear him scream? He said, I'm getting out. That taser was hot. Get on the ground, punk. Crazy. They tased him. He said, ow. That taser was hot. Hot like fish grease.
Somebody's on your neck. Shut your mouth.
Damn.
Nobody's on your neck.
He said, you on my neck. He said, ain't nobody on your neck. They ain't finna show you no mercy, man. Of course they got their foot on your neck. You just tried to take 4 of them out. Oh, that's a big country fed boy right there. He every bit of 6'4", 6'5", maybe 6'6". Oh, they pounding each other up. Good job, man. Good job. Good job. Man, that's a big boy right there. That's nasty work right there, man. They got him for attempt murder, theft by receiving, fleeing. My boy, they hit him with everything. They hit him with everything. What did it say? Possible punishment, 6 to 30 years for the attempt murder. The theft by receiving, it's got a possible punishment of 5 to 20 years. Ooh, that's already, what's almost 50 years, right? That is 50 years. And then the fleeing, that gets 3 to 10. Man, that's 60 years. They said he negotiated a plea deal. I wonder what he negotiated. What he probably played out to the plea 3 to 10. Probably gave him he took a plea bargain for the 3 to 10. But man, he messed these whips up, man. Look, he messed them whips up, man. That's crazy. He messed all them whips up. Well, not all of them, just 2 of them, but he messed them up. He definitely put his stamp on them. Look what he did to that cop car. Look at that one. Man, he turned that to a tin can. It'll never see the day. Look at that. Why would you even park it in front of a dump truck anyway? Look at that. Man, it's total. That's definitely total. That'll never see the streets again. Yeah, that'll never see the streets again. That's crazy. Shippers Cement. Y'all know it's a Mack truck. Look at them gunshots in the tires. Or what's those spikes? Yeah, they got him. Man, that's crazy. He definitely messed that cop car up. He messed 2 cop cars up. Yeah, you definitely going to the slammer. Look at the gunshots in that bad boy. Whoo, that motherfucker was taking plenty rounds. Mack truck. A big boy Mack truck. Yeah, man, this police chase was crazy. My thing is, why you still a Mack? Why you still a dump truck? What did you think you was gonna get away with a dump truck? I mean, I can understand you still in a Hellcat or something like that, a Camaro, but a dump truck, my man, it's probably governed at like 70, 75. At the most, it's probably can do about 80. So you ain't getting away from nobody in no dump truck. That's something you steal at nighttime. He stole it in the broad daylight. I don't get it. I do not get it. You know what? Drugs will mess your brain up. Have it fried. He definitely probably was on some drugs. He probably is going to try to sell this bad boy, get him a nice little piece of change so he can do his thing. But yeah, that Mack truck was strong. I'm trying to figure out what was the one guy thinking parking the Charger in front of a speeding Mack truck, dump truck. Who told him that? Yeah. That Charger definitely gonna stop the dump truck. Let's check this out. Yeah, he's a bona fide dodo bird. Why would you put that car in the way? Why would you put that car in the way, knowing that wasn't gonna stop nothing? Nothing. Hell, you can get a regular pickup truck would have plowed through that Charger. And on top of that, the girl with the spikes, horrible. Look at this.
Get out of the way!
Horrible. Get her off the spike job immediately. 2 times they missed with the spikes. My man was fleeing. He was fleeing. He definitely was trying to get away, but you can't get away in a Mack truck, baby. Bad idea. But I did enjoy this police chase. Like I said, I don't condone running from the police, but if you do, I will be entertained. Doing the 75 in the residential area, in the dump truck, and the police chasing you, nasty work. Come on now. Come on, man. You stole the dump truck. At least just going to country roads, man. You ain't got to be going through neighborhoods and stuff, speeding and stuff like that. But shout out to the police. They did a great job on this one, man. They definitely worked together. I can't even lie, man. They did a good job. You got to get... They was radioing to each other. They was communicating. They used the spikes. The spikes didn't work, so they started to shoot the tires out. They shot the motor. They did everything they were supposed to do. They even tased my man. Listen to him scream again. I'm going to put this right here. Check him out when he was screaming.
Get him out! Get him out!
That taser was hot. Man, they took him out the truck, man, and they did what they did. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this police chase. I definitely did. This one's a little bit different than the other ones. It was a dump truck. I had to review it when I seen it. I said, man, I got to check this out. They sent it to me. I said, let me check this out. A dump truck? Enjoyed it, man. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If you liked the video, like it. If you didn't, thumbs it down. I will leave a link in the description for the original video as well as the channel from the original video. You can go follow them, give them a shout out. But with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to slide on up out of here. Hey, stop running from the police, even if you're in a dump truck.
Be the fam, that's what they call me.